Welcome to Abstractness. Can we render a React component without an enclosing tag? How to display records without enclosing element in React.js? Enclosing element or parent element? When we display records or data from array using array map method in React.js, usually we enclose the whole thing in an element, a div or something. How to iterate over data and return it without a closing JSX element. Maybe using an enclosing JSX element would modify design, or we don't want to add another element to the DOM. In this video, we will look into how to use array map method over fragments with React fragment. We can iterate over a set of data and display it without parent element as an HTML element using React fragment. Long form of React fragments can provide the key prop which is required for an element over which we are iterating. Here is how to map over fragments with a React fragment. Let's create a component. React functional component. For the data, let's use an array. Let's import this component. Now, usually we do like this. ID and name. But this rendered this useless div in our output. This div. We want to remove this parent div, even these divs as well. To do that, we'll map our fragments with React fragment. Return users dot map react dot fragment, and here key user dot key user dot name, user dot id. Save. And as you can see, just the list was rendered: user 1, user 2, user 3, and there are no divs, no parent div, no div enclosing these three elements. React fragment will not render anything, so there's no parent div. To separate these records and use separator between them, we can use index here. Now we can use a check here and use ternary operator. If index display comma, otherwise do not display anything. Save. And as you can see, these separators comma were added because of this condition. because comma separated records are better. With this technique, you cannot use shorthand fragments. Alternative for React fragment is this shorthand. With this technique, you cannot use this shorthand. You'll have to use this long form for this React fragment. React fragment long form allows key prop for the record. So keep this in mind. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.